person in this video is not a paid actor, but an actual SunWest employee.
Hey everybody, Buffy the Rate Slayer here, and welcome to another edition of Market Insight, brought to you from our capital markets trading desk right here at SunWest Mortgage Company. Treasury yields turned higher overnight while U.S. equities gained and crude oil rebounded. Oil bounced back from the worst rut in 3 years after plunging for a record 12 straight days. West Texas crude climbed above $57 a barrel. Investors kept a close watch on oil prices ahead of the U.S. inflation reports that were received this morning, which showed mixed data. The Consumer Price Index rose as expected month over month and year over year, while the core CPI, which excludes food and energy, saw a slight drop to its year over year level despite meeting the month over month expectation of a 0.2% increase. Treasuries fell on inflation reports. And what else is going on? Well, U.S. stocks declined, led by Apple. Renewed anxiety over trade relations with Canada and Mexico. Fed Chairman Powell to speak on the economy tonight. U.S. stocks headed for a fifth straight decline as Apple led a drop in technology shares. Furthermore, the anxiety over trade relations with Canada and Mexico saw investors seeking out havens to turn treasuries higher mid-session. According to a senior House Democrat, President Trump's new trade deal with Canada and Mexico will require some changes to secure the support from the Democrats. With the Dems holding the House, President Trump may find it more difficult to have the new deal approved in Congress. Meanwhile, investors are continuing to assess the mixed reading on the consumer prices, which will likely weigh on the Fed's discussion over rate hikes later this evening. As usual, guys, stay tuned with our news, and our trading desk will keep you informed with pricing incentives. Today's Wednesday. Have a great one, and we'll see you next time. Buffy out.
Our staff puts the fun back in mortgage finance.